Hi everyone, Zach Pakoff here. Welcome back. Today's hot sauce review is going to be Tabasco brand Scorpion Pepper Hot Sauce. So as usual, I've got the sauce right here. And I've also got a club cracker that I'm going to put the sauce on. So we're going to give this bottle a good shaking. Then, we're going to get the club cracker. And now, we're going to put some of the sauce on the cracker. Now this one is probably going to be very spicy considering it is a scorpion pepper based sauce. So let's get a little bit of this bad boy onto the cracker. There we go. And I already smell it. It smells spicy. All right. There we go. Here's what the cracker looks like with the sauce on it. And here we go. Cheers. Okay, yeah. I can definitely feel the heat building on this one. It's very good though. Okay, so for heat, yeah, this one was pretty spicy. I'm gonna give this one a 7. And for flavor is pretty good. Give this one a 9. Alrighty. So that does it for my review of Tabasco brand's Scorpion Pepper Hot Sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.